Hi, this is Jose from OnlyWoodFloors, and I'm here with Bill, correct?
Bill,
I
yes.
apologize for forgetting. We just got done finishing their wood floor here, and can you explain how things went for you?
Yeah, so got in contact with Jose. He was very professional since the beginning. We looked at the space. We looked at what we needed to do. We were able to put a date right away, and throughout the whole process, it's been just a very positive experience. They were on time. It was, we were told it was going to be done in 3 days. It got done, and you can see the results. It was a great experience. Totally recommend, the company. Again, very professional, punctual. Started early, always being here on time, and these are the results. It's great.
Yeah, thank you.
So thank you. Really appreciate it.
Is there anything you think we could do better?
I don't. My wife is hiding behind the camera, but I can tell you that we are very happy with the results. Everything was top notch. We're very happy, very pleased.
All right, perfect.
Very pleased with the results. Yes.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.